everybody, my name is Bree. I'm with Someday Soap.
Hi, my name is Lex. I'm also with Someday Soap.
This is my gorgeous daughter, and she's going to help me with the intro of the making of BeeOatiful. Instead of beautiful, it is BeeOatiful because it is made with honey and oatmeal. It's not only just gorgeous, it smells. It's one of my favorites.
It smells really good. It's my favorite.
It smells so good. And which I say that about every soap. So on every video, except for patchouli, you're going to see me say that this is absolutely, I made patchouli soap yesterday. I gagged all the way through making, no offense patchouli people, I get it. It's one of those things where I love you guys, but I'm not in love with you guys because the entire kitchen smelled like a tree stump. It was like tree and dirt. I was like waiting for fairies to pop out of the kitchen cabinets at any second. It's just very, very earthy, just not my jam, but I'm making it for you guys that have been requesting it. But BeeOatiful is what I made. So the video upcoming is going to be about BeeOatiful. And with the honey and the oats comes a lot of really beneficial properties for your skin. I'm gonna tell them about honey, what honey does for your skin.
Okay. Not only is honey delicious, not that you should eat the soap, even though it smells delicious. Honey is good for moisturizing your skin. It's good for cleaning out your pores and stuff whenever they get all gunky. It adds a natural glow. It's good for hydrating your skin, and it helps to reduce wrinkles. Not that I have a problem with that, but maybe for people who do have wrinkles, it might help.
Your mom. That would be your mom. And then the next property, she covered honey, the oatmeal. Oatmeal is really great if you have sensitive skin. There's a lot of my customers that say that they complain of eczema, that they really, really like the BeeOatiful bar because it's really gentle on the skin. It's not going to strip your skin of any natural oils, so it doesn't matter what type of skin you have, oily, dry combination, it's going to be great. I use it as a body bar, but I do have some customers that tell me that they also use it on their face. I don't recommend it because I have really oily skin, so it doesn't really strip the oils, so it just kind of, it'll clean your pores, but it's not really geared to be a face bar due to the micas that is in the bar of soap and the fragrance, so I don't recommend it for your face, people. It's rich in proteins. It makes it a great moisturizer. It has antioxidant properties, so it will help undo damage to your skin caused by pollution, UV rays, ultraviolet rays. So for us ladies that do have wrinkles, it helps us a little bit and kind of kickstarts it to help us stay young and gorgeous just like her. But yeah, it's really an overall great body bar that smells just amazing. It smells so good. And then you need to click subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel because the next video, we have been like overcome with Shark Week in our house. Like we have just been Shark Week everything around here. So my next video will be covering ocean waters. I had to make it. I mean, it was just like non-stop sharks in our house. And then I got in this new fragrance that is so clean. It's so light. It's just, it's so amazing. And I will talk more about the exact scents that is in this bar of soap in the next video, which will be the making and the cutting of the soap of ocean waters. So make sure to click like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys next time.
you.